I'm starting another vlog, and me and Anita are currently studying in the car for finals because we got to school early. But we're gonna go to a few stores and get our nails done today, so stay tuned. Just finished our first final, and me and Anita are at Noodles & Co. Fueling up so you know we can do some shopping later. Just got our nails done. Close-ups. Ooh, look at your nails. And then we stopped at Eateries and got some goodies. Always gotta look through the new sections that they haven't put on the racks yet, you know what I'm saying? Okay, never mind. So anyways, we're not finding that much here, but we really don't need that much, so we're kind of just browsing. So Alina and I were almost matching. So I put the sweater on, and then I knew I was gonna wear this jacket, and I see her in this sweater with a denim jacket, and then she put on black jeans, and so I had to go with these jeans and then these little boots. But yeah. So please comment down below who's cuter. We're at where are we? Home Goods? Home Goods, yeah. And we're like tearing up the sprinkles section because we found the cutest sprinkles. Anita has an idea of how to do things with these, so that's what we're doing. So it's the next day, and I'm about to wrap some Christmas presents. I have most of my Christmas shopping done, but there's still a little bit more I need to do. And yeah, I'm gonna go to school later and turn in a paper, and then probably go to more stores after. I need to go to like as many stores as I can this week, just because next week will be really busy. So I just finished wrapping my first gift, and it's not the best, but you know, it'll do. This one's for Anita, but I have the cutest wrapping paper. Like, look at this. I got this from Paper Source last year, and then I have one that has Christmas trees, pine trees, whatever they're called on it. So yeah, super cute. So I just dropped off my second final. I have one more to go tomorrow. But now I'm on my way to some stores and do some shopping. So I'm currently in Forever 21, and I need a ugly Christmas sweater for Bethany's party. How does this one look? I mean, it's like cute ugly, so it might work. I'm done at the mall now. I didn't get too much, but I did pick up something from Nordstrom, and the ugly sweater that I showed, I got that too. But I didn't get any of the rompers that I tried on just because I already have one that's similar to the burgundy one, and then the pink one, I just can't do velvet. Me and Anton are currently on the way to the mall to get some things for him, not for me. All my shopping is done. And then Anita's like right there. What are we doing, Anton? He got tired after 2 stores, so he decided he needs a massage. Anton, let's go. Your time is up.
You're getting another 3 minutes.
No, you're not. We have to go find things for you.
What's that? 10.
It doesn't matter. You don't need another minute.
3 minutes.
Oh my, okay, fine. I'm gonna get one too then. stop vlogging other people. It's embarrassing. What are you doing here, Anita? What are you guys doing here?
FaceTime my mom.
Oh, you're finally on my vlog.
Just came here to. We're just
ran into Elijah.
Oh yeah, and we ran into Elijah too. Everybody's here, guys. So we're in Walmart right now, and I found a perfect thing that Anton could get. Isn't this hilarious? You could still see out of those. I could see your eyes, actually. We didn't find anything at the mall, and now we're at Walmart. Anton! Ew! I don't know how many people's heads have been on that. Ew! As I was saying, again, we didn't find anything in Walmart. We're kind of just getting car stuff right now. Anton, stop!
And stop.
Stop! Okay, yeah, that's pretty much the update. Anton said he just order everything online, which is not fun, but that's what he wants to do. Good morning, Sacramento.
Oh, wait, you turned on the vlog on? Okay,
What's up, guys? Victoria. So we're on our way to brunch, lunch. I don't know. It's gonna be 12 p.m.
For mimosas only.
No, we're going for brunch, Victoria.
For lunch, it's 12 o'clock.
You're gonna seem like, yeah, okay. Anyways, we're just not gonna explain anything. So, we're almost there. We're in Folsom, and that's it. I don't know what else we're gonna do.
We're going
Get
to.
the view,
Are
get
you
the
gonna say where we're gonna go? Sure. Benedict. Everyone knows it.
Friends with friends.
Stop acting like it's a secret location.
Secret
So
location
it's
unknown.
For the tourists.
Disclosed. So we're done with brunch or lunch. And we still have some time to kill, so we're at Target now because Anita still needs to find her white elephant gift. So it's Saturday, we're at the Sylvia Besana parade. It's the holiday parade, and I'm here with Esther. I decided to take her out today and just show her the parade and do some fun things today. So that's what we're doing. After the parade, we came to the mall. She did like the jumping thing. Esther did the jumping thing. And then she played in the arcade, and now we're at Build-A-Bear. She's doing her first Build-A-Bear, and it's her birthday next week. That's why we're doing this.
There's a pony.
Pony? Okay, let's go. Menu, what did you pick, Esther? She picked, oh, so cute. It's Thomas the Train because she loves that show.
Yeah.
Yes?